Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here is a good news to those who want the brilliant experience of working in KVS. Because KVS has released the Bal Vatika teachers recruitment. This recruitment is totally contractual basis for the year 2023 to 24. So because the implementation of NEP 2020, KVS will definitely release the notice for permanent teachers on this post. So let's know the criteria and qualification of this post. Let's see the notice. Yes. KVS has decided to start one section of Bal Vatika 3 means UKG class for children of 5 plus years of age but not completed 6 year of age in the identified 450 KVs as per the list given in the annexure 1 from the current academic session 2023 to 24. In this regard, the following guidelines are required to be followed and therefore necessary directions be issued to the principal of concerned KVs to take necessary for the immediate action at their end. So on the first page we see the details of admission in Bal Vatika and on the second page there is the criteria of the requirement. So let's know. Second point, engagement of teachers and caregivers. Following modulations shall be followed for the engagement of teachers on contractual basis and caregivers means helpers on outsourcing basis of Bal Vatika 3. A total of 02 ECC means early childhood care trained teachers shall be engaged on contractual basis by each KV as per the qualification prescribed by NCTE. Every KV में एक टीचर एंड सेकेंड पोस्ट इज हेल्पर्स अपॉइंट किए जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ द प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बाय NCTE. Secondary class 10 or its equivalent from a recognized board minimum 18 years of age and should have induction training in preschool education. So the candidate should have working experience of preschool education by the central government or appropriate government or recognized university or board. Second point is salary for helpers shall be as per the rates applicable for semi-skilled persons and one caregiver helper shall be engaged by each of the KV through the process of outsourcing for Bal Vatika 3. Caregivers helper shall be engaged as per the qualification for prescribed by NCERT or NCP-CR. So this is the criteria and terms to be able for the given job. So if you like the given information, please subscribe our channel for the latest update. Thank you.